Today we're going to be making special mug cakes. We're going to be making 2 servings. So, first you will need 1.4 cups plus 1 teaspoon of purple flour. So, we're going to need one of these in each cup. Depends how you're making. I'm making 2, so grab that, kind of drop it. Okay. I'll grab another, now shuffle that off. Now shuffle that in. Try to make sure it does not explode, otherwise it will lose some. So, now we'll grab a tablespoon, and then we'll grab these, you'll need melted butter, so grab that sugar closer. Each one needs 2 tablespoons of sugar. Just grab a tablespoon. Grab one. We'll just grab a tablespoon. Put it in there. Second tablespoon. Put it in there. First tablespoon. Put it in there. Second tablespoon, put it in there. So, now once we've done that, we just need to make sure it's mixed, so that sugar and flour is all mixed together. It will be getting to a sticky dough part, so, which you will not have to use your hands or anything. So, okay. Once we have the flour and sugar in, we will be using baking powder. Won't need the sugar anymore. You can just lock that sugar up. No more sugar. Grab a teaspoon, put it in there. Try and get exactly that. Oh, and once you put this baking powder in, you need to make sure it's super well mixed. So now we'll just tap that. One down. And now we need to make sure it's extra super double mixed. You can only unmix ingredients when there's water in it. Keep mixing that here. That one's super mixed. And we need to make sure this one's super mixed. Okay. Once that's finished, we will need a dash of salt. Just going to this tiny one. Sprinkle that on top. We don't have to worry about mixing it yet. Dash some more. Salt in there. Wash that salt off. Close it. Put it aside. Okay, once we got the dash of salt, we'll need 2 tablespoons of butter. We melted some butter. It's still very, very hot. That's why we got gloves, which I can take more heat than some. So I'm just gonna use my hands. It can give you blisters, so make sure it's nice and cool. And your hands will take away the heat. So your hands take away some heat, put it into where you need it. So we need 2 tablespoons each. Tablespoon of butter. Dump that in. And another. Now put that in. Okay. Once we have that, we can put it down. Put this mug aside before we get to the next mug. Now we're just gonna try and grab 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. Add a tiny bit more to that one. And a tiny bit more to that one. There we go. we'll put the butter aside. We might not use all of it. We'll need 3 tablespoons of milk, so just kind of get that butter off. Put that right there. Get milk, just 3 tablespoons. So, once you grab that tablespoon, it's milk, and you be careful. 1, 2, I'm gonna need a tiny bit, because I accidentally overflowed. 3. So we'll mix that later. So that's what you had to do with that one. And what do you want?
Nothing.
I'm just making
You interrupted yourself.
What?
You interrupted yourself. Oh, wait.
Okay, Batman.
Testing.
Batman, shh. So now we'll do the other mug. 1, 2, 3. So let's just go with that for 3. Just add a tiny bit more milk because it's sometimes a little water. So, cakes usually need to be really, really watery, so that's why I'm adding more milk than the recipe says. So, well, I don't really follow the recipe anyways. So put that milk in. So if you think that's a little too much, no worries. You can grab more flour whenever you need to. Might just be a little bigger than that one. Dump that in. And then I'll just mix it. I mean, the other one's going to be smaller than this one. So, I mean, I choose this one. Then I can just have this one. Oh. Add it. Need it. Grab that teaspoon from over here. Grab this and just go scoop, scoop. Go put that in there. Now still mixing this. Now we'll grab that. Scoop that off into there. There. So that's finished. And just put those aside in the butter because we're not going to use them. So, put that in, put the milk in. We'll need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So, we'll grab a vanilla extract. And then all we'll need after vanilla extract is sprinkles. Sprinkles make it the tasty part. Vanilla extract also makes it tasty. There we go. Got that, we'll put that in there. Mix it in there. Okay, now, before we actually mix it, add some sprinkles, sprinkle it in there. Always make sure to put in lots and lots of sprinkles. Because you always want it to be sprinkle-tastic. Now, we can close those sprinkles up, and then we can close that milk up. Okay, now we just need to mix. Because we have not mixed the vanilla extract in, we'll mix it more. Okay, so it's kind of sloppy because we added more milk, and that's good. So then it'll get all those gaps. There. So now we'll mix this one. This one's even more sloppier, which this one's mine. This one is from my subscribers and my viewers. So, if you're watching, I made one of those for you. We'll put those aside. They need 70 to 90 seconds in the microwave. We're going to be putting them in for 80 forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Well, before that, we're going to show you what the remainings are. So I wiped down the counters while these were cooking. The other one's cooking right now. Nice hot lava cake. Do not touch the side, it will burn you. So, oh, and like I said before, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. The other one's in the microwave. Toodaloo. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Little secret here, always press the subscribe button. Don't ask about that. That's what my boss always says.